up, Leo? So we got a leftover 2019 UTV 650 Commander. Good price, $12,500. Come check it out. I got one of these left, and I think I have another one that's also left over. But if you want to check it out, it's great for yard work. It's got the winch, obviously doors, mirrors, all-wheel drive 4x4, high-low gear reverse. It's got the bed. This thing opens up. You know, so it's got some pretty cool features, doors. But for $12,500, you can't go wrong for a Dent and Ding unit. So we got this one. I think we have another one as well. But if you want to check it out, come by, ask, and see if we can work something out.